Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను చెప్పబోతున్న క్లాస్ డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ పార్ట్ 50. మన ఫస్ట్ బిట్, ఎనీ signed negative binary number is recognized by its dash. Option A, MSB means most significant bit. Option B, LSB. Option C, byte. Option D, nibble. Answer వచ్చేసి Option A, MSB, most significant bit. Second bit, the parameter through which 16 distinct value can be represented is known as dash. Option A, bit. Option B, byte. Option C, word. Option D, nibble. Answer వచ్చేసి Option C, word. Third bit, if the decimal number is a fraction, then its binary equivalent is obtained by the dash number continuously by 2. Option A, dividing. Option B, multiplying. Option C, adding. Option D, subtracting. Answer వచ్చేసి Option B, multiplying. Fourth bit, an important drawback of binary system is dash. Option A, it requires very large string of ones and zeros to represent a decimal number. Option B, it requires sparingly small strings of ones and zeros to represent a decimal number. Option C, it requires large strings of ones and small strings of zeros to represent a decimal number. Option D, it requires small strings of ones and large strings of zeros to represent a decimal number. Answer వచ్చేసి Option A, it requires very large strings of ones and zeros to represent a decimal number. Fifth bit, the largest 2-digit hexadecimal number is dash. Option A, EF16. Option B, FD16. Option C, FF16. Option D, EF16. Answer వచ్చేసి Option C, FF16. Sixth bit, the quantity of double word is dash. Option A, 16 bits. Option B, 32 bits. Option C, 4 bits. Option D, 8 bits. Answer వచ్చేసి Option B, 32 bits. Seventh bit, if the number of bits in the sum exceeds the number of bits in each added numbers, it results in Option A, successor. Option B, overflow. Option C, underflow. Option D, predecessor. Answer వచ్చేసి Option B, overflow. Eighth bit, an overflow is a dash. Option A, hardware problem. Option B, software problem. Option C, user input problem. Option D, input output error. Answer వచ్చేసి Option B, software problem. Ninth bit, an overflow occurs in dash. Option A, MSD position, most significant digit position. Option B, LSD position. Option C, middle position. Option D, signed bit. Answer వచ్చేసి Option A, MSD position, most significant digit position. 10th bit, logic circuitry is used to detect dash. Option A, underflow. Option B, MSD. Option C, overflow. Option D, LSD. Answer వచ్చేసి Option C, overflow. 11th bit, one's complement can be easily obtained by using dash. Option A, comparator. Option B, inverter. Option C, adder. Option D, subtractor. Answer వచ్చేసి Option B, inverter. 12th bit, the advantage of 2's complement system is that dash. Option A, only one arithmetic operation is required. Option B, 2 arithmetic operations are required. Option C, no arithmetic operations are required. Option D, different arithmetic operations are required. Answer వచ్చేసి Option A, only one arithmetic operation is required. 13th bit, the one's complement requires dash. Option A, 1 operation. Option B, 2 operations. Option C, 3 operations. Option D, combined operations. Answer వచ్చేసి Option A, 1 operation. 14th bit. Which one is used for logical manipulation? Option A, 2's complement. Option B, 9's complement. Option C, 1's complement. Option D, 10's complement. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, 1's complement. 15th bit. For arithmetic operations only dash. Option A, 1's complement is used. Option B, 2's complement is used. Option C, 10's complement. Option D, 9's complement. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, 2's complement is used. ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ అలానే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.